Yo, what's going on, traders? Got a green day. I know I'm putting it up late. Just very busy, worked out, and decided to put it up now. I'm finna start like spacing these videos out, but put like 2 days of trading in one video. But right here is my day trading for the day. Stay tuned. Yo, what up, traders? Jumped in here. I recorded a little late, but I jumped in here at 24.40. Spread is very wide on this stock. LEDS, a 23-cent spread. I wish I would have caught that washout, how it dropped like that, and how I caught it like this. But I'm in that 2040. Did not feel like adding because the spread was so wide, and now I felt like the bids had to catch up to the ask. And then the spread being so wide, I feel like there's still more room for it to scalp up above 24.50. So I'm just waiting for it. See, it didn't get no lower, didn't break. And if it would have broke, I would have added. So wasn't really that much worried in this position. The only thing that's worrying me is how low the volume is. So getting a little squeeze up now, as I was expecting to get a little pop. Don't know why I didn't take it off when I was up there at 24.57. But didn't panic out. Like, look at the spread. It's a 50-cent spread. Like, no one seeing that spread, and I'm already in the stock, I know that as long as we go to bat, that 50-cent spread, as long as this is at 24, now it sucks that there's no shares here at 0.0, so it's really at 24.77 really. But the fact that it's at 24.65 here, and if it doesn't go down, the bid is going to have to catch up to it. It's so spread like this because the volume is so low in the stock. Like, look down here. Like, the volume picked up here, and it got called out of my chat room. I just tried to capitalize on the little dip trade here, the dip below 24.50. So that's what I try to do. So the spread is so wide here, so that's why I'm holding on to this position. As long as this doesn't really drop down, the bid is going to catch up to it. Still holding. 24.40. Still holding. Next time it pops over 24.50, I'm taking it off. I will not let it get away from me this time. I took it off right there. Made 14 cents. Held on to it because the spread was wide. And I think I don't trade that stock anymore for the day. So yeah, AMC. Stock has more volume. Look at the tape. It's still low. The volume is low. But it's more volume than LEDS. Every trader has that stock, that favorite stock they like to trade. They always come back to. I think AMC might be it for me. I like this stock, man. I feel like I have a good read on this stock. That's what I feel like. Something at 8.43 is going against me. Not really panicking. I'm not panicking because I have a plan. I want it. If it goes against me, cool. I got an ad spot I can do. My ad spot was gonna be at 49.23. So expecting that rip above it, got a little 10-cent pop. Could have got way more than that. It's gonna actually get in the 60s. But I was down like that, and I just wanted the quick little 10-cent pop scalp. Look at actually rips it on me. So looking for another trade here. Big sell at 50, got through him. Didn't really pop up that much. See the tape slowed down as soon as it got through. So I took a little stab here, jumped in at 49.90, expecting to pop back over 50. 50 of the ads got rejected. Didn't panic out and sell. It has tested. I'm expecting a retest. Like when I get in these trades, I expect a retest, and once it retests it, I sell it. That's why I sell too soon, or that's why I do this and that, whatever. But I'm looking for a retest. Got out right there, 50.02. Made 12 cents on that play. Up $18 on the day. No red trades so far. here. Now, I don't really recommend taking the trade here. You know, if you just looking at my stuff, I don't really recommend this trade here. Why? Because there's an air pocket here. This stock is really overextended. But I'm gonna give you a reason why I took a trade here. I was reading the tape, looking at the tape here. Got some greens coming in. The fact that this candle here already has a wick on the bottom, showing that there's already some support here, right? And then if you look at these two previous small candles, when there was a pocket, it never pulled back to the 9 EMA. It ripped up. So I was taking all that stuff in account when I took this trade here. You know, I was looking at it, like, you know what, I'm gonna take a stab. I'm gonna take a stab here. You know, see if it can bounce from here. And really, the tape was really what made me do it too. Confirmed it. So we got some greens coming in, but it's a heavy seller there at 50.29. We got them greens coming through. He still hasn't lifted. Finally, he lifted. Minute at 28. I think he like a little small scalp on this. Yep, got out real quick. I didn't even make 8 cents on that. How much I made on that? Made only 5 cents on that. Quick little scalp. And then look. Actually rips on me. I don't know. I didn't take a trade here. Did not take a trade here. Like, you see why I sold that so quick? Because it was overextended. Like I showed you earlier here. Here, right here. It's overextended. So eventually it was going to pull back to that 50 mark of that 9 EMA. And it did it here on this candle. The same candle I traded. That's why I scalped it like that, because I knew it was going to come down and do that. Anyway, didn't take a trade here, missed opportunity because it didn't break 50. Can't be in all of them. Next trade. Stock's pushing up. Stock's pushing up. I'm not chasing it. I'm not chasing that stock. I'm going to wait for that dip. I'm going to wait for that pullback. And I got it. Jumped in there. Quick little pop. And I liked it. I actually hit on for the whole 20 cents there. Yeah, that's a nice gain. Real nice gain there. Up $31 on the day. Same play. Same stock. Looking for a quick scout above 52. It already popped up above it. Trying to play it back over. Quick scout. This stock is overextended. Look how overextended it is. This candle is little. Got a big candle, little, and we got this pocket here. So eventually, I'm thinking it has to pull back here eventually. It might not do it on this candle, but it has to eventually. So now I'm in, like, when I get in trades like that, I'm in scout mode. See how it's pulling back against me? I had to add there. Got in at 51.80. Yeah, I get the pop, but I could have, if I was a little more patient, I would have got the pop over 52. Yeah, I just took it off. I got a little scared, got a little sketched. The stock looked sketched out. The tape, scared me. If I was a little more patient, I'd have got that 52 pop. Look at that. Look at that. I would have got it. Looking for another trade. It's pulling back. One little support level there, $52. Looking for that dip below 52. Got it at 51.94, trying to play it back over. Took it off right there. Could have got a little more. Tape was a little struggling a little bit. See that? See how I pull back? Now I entered here. I fat fingered this whole trade. I fat fingered my entry, and I fat fingered the sell here. Watch it. I'm gonna sell it off here. I only got nothing to say about this trade here. It was just a messed up play. I fat fingered everything. Jumped in at 51.52. Shouldn't have done that. That was a bad entry. Should be entering now somewhere 40s, in the 40s. So I added again 51.48, and I don't know what I fat fingered this, man. I fat fingered this for a loss. Yeah, I don't know why I did that. I don't know why I did that. Look at that. It's gonna rip. Annoying. No, I said that was a straight up fat finger. Anyway, next trade. It pushed up, not chasing no stop. Got it at 52.51. in that 52.51. Trying to get that push up back above. Sorry, y'all. Had to add to my position here. It's looking kind of scary, getting dumped on a little bit in that 52.45. But I'm still expecting to pop over 50, and I got it. Now I made a 9-cent gain there. And then it's too close to the open. I have a new thing. I could have held that, but it's too close to the open. And usually when I hold like that, I've been getting dumped on lately at the open, so didn't take that trade. So we got an open trade here. Volume looking kind of sketched out. Since it popped over 50, I'm looking to take a trade here if it dumps below some more. 28's on the bid. 29's 14s, 59, 52s. Got it in at 52.01. Nice entry there. That's a nice entry. 52.01. Got it at 52. What I got? 52.40. That's a nice trade. Made 40 cents on that trade. Yeah, it's money games. Hit like and subscribe. Thank you for watching this content.